So, I have a good news regarding on the PCR and the visa on arrival. So, watch this video until the end. My name is Misa, I'm your host in Bali. Okay, welcome to WhatsUpbali channel, the #1 channel for you to know how to travel to Bali, Bali travel regulation and condition in Bali now. If you're interested in one of those, consider to subscribe. Guys, visa on arrival now applied on the 6th international airport in Indonesia. It works in, let me read it, Soekarno-Hatta Airport Jakarta, Ngurah Rai Airport Bali, Kuala Namu Airport North Sumatra, Juanda Airport Surabaya, East Java, Hasanuddin Airport Makassar South Sulawesi, and Samratulangi Airport Manado North Sulawesi. So now you can get the visa on arrival in those airports. If you want to transit now, it's easy. For instance, you landed in Jakarta and then you're gonna go to Bali. Now it's easy, you can get visa on arrival in Jakarta. Now while we are talking about the visa on arrival, let me refresh to you the term and condition to get visa on arrival in Indonesia, in Bali. Okay, to get visa on arrival, you have to make sure that your passport has validity minimum 6 months. Then you have to have a return ticket or ticket to other country as your next destination. And of course, the health protocol. Minimum 2 doses of vaccine for those who already 18 years old and above. Health insurance that cover COVID-19. I mentioned down below in the description 2 of reliable insurance company, the Safety Wing, American Insurance Company, and Jaga Wisata, Indonesian Insurance Company. Just click one of those and choose the package you like. Actually, it's pretty cheap to protect you. Like the Jaga Wisata only costs you about $35 for 30 days. And you can top up, extend every month. Okay, download the Peduli Lindungi app. But first, you have to register your vaccine by clicking this link. You click register there, register your vaccine, then you will get notification within 3 working days. Then you'll be able to log into Peduli Lindungi app. However, no worries if you find difficulties in registering or login or download it, no worries. Airport ground staff in Bali will help you. Just make sure you bring your printed vaccine certificate with you. Then in the Peduli Lindungi app, you will also find the e-hack. The best time to fill in the e-hack is after your check-in at the airport while waiting for boarding. Because in the e-hack, they will ask about flight information. You will get the flight information after you do the check-in, right? And then again, because the e-hack in the Peduli Lindungi app, and if you find difficulties to download the Peduli Lindungi app, as I mentioned earlier, no worries, you will get help by the ground staff in Bali Airport. Just make sure you bring your printed vaccine certificate with you. And in case you're new in my channel, start from March 23rd, no more CHSE certified hotel. So you can go immediately to any hotel you want to stay, even in Airbnb. Just make sure you got your proof printed of your reservation. That's all. So you can show it in immigration that you have hotel reservation. That's all. So what do you think? It's easy now, right? Get out from the plane, visa on arrival, immigration, baggage claim. That's it. Wait, something missing. Yes, the entry PCR test. Start from 6th of April, no more PCR test at the airport in Bali. So after get off from the plane, you have to do the PCR test first, then you continue to the immigration, etc. No PCR test at the airport in Bali, except for those who have a temperature higher than 37.5 degree Celsius. I repeat, except for those who got body temperature higher than 37.5 degrees Celsius. You know, when you get off from the plane, you're walking in the alley, they have a body temperature there. And if your body temperature is higher than 37.5 degrees Celsius, then you need to take the PCR test. But if not, you can go straight to the visa on arrival or to the immigration if you already have a visa. Oh, by the way, for the list of countries who can get the visa on arrival, now we got new countries. It's the Timor-Leste. So now total is 43 countries can get visa on arrival in 6 international airports in Indonesia. This is the list now. Just pause it if you want to find your country. Yeah, just pause it. So this country can get visa on arrival at 6 airports in Indonesia, including Bali, of course. And visa on arrival can be extended once, and visa on arrival costs $35 for 30 days and can be extended for another 30 days. So total is 60 days. That's it. That's the maximum you can stay with the visa on arrival, 60 days. So it's too bright, isn't it? Let me just, oh, what is this, man? Better? Okay. So for those who plan to stay more, for those who want to get a kitas like business kitas, investment kitas, or retirement kitas, and for those who's coming from country not on the list, you need the B211A visa. This visa is required sponsor. That's why I suggest you to use visa agency. The visa agency will be your sponsor. I mentioned down in the description 2 reliable visa agency in Bali. Great, right? So now you can get visa on arrival in 6 international airports in Indonesia. And no more entry PCR test. And no more CHSE certified hotel. Woohoo! And not only that, for my fellow neighbors, for my fellow Southeast Asian countries, my 9 neighbors: Brunei Darussalam, the Philippines, Cambodia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. For you guys, you got free visa for staying less than 30 days. So if you want to stay more than 30 days, you still need to apply the visa on arrival. More details will be on my next video. That's why don't forget to subscribe for those who haven't. Click that notification bell so you won't miss any update from me regarding how to travel to Bali, Bali travel regulation and condition in Bali now. My name is Hoki Misa, I'm your host in Bali. See you in the island of God. Stay safe.